In this video, we are going to see how we can cross-verify any particular formula if we have already applied and got some results, but we want to check the accuracy of formula. For example, in the north, for the games, we have 452 as sales. But how do we know that we have applied the right formula or the results are correct? That can be easily done by applying the filters. So we have applied the filters, but if you want to apply it again, just select all the headings in the original data and write alternate HSF. So this means alternate for the golden short key. Then we will go in home tab, sort and filter, and filter. There we have it. Now let's search north and games. What we'll do is we will simply filter out north, and from here we will filter out only games. So we have 452 sales, 452 is mentioned here as well. So this is how we can check. Let's try another one. 309 West for toys. This is West, this is toys. So this is just a small example. That's why we only have one for each. But that's how we can reconcile or recheck for the accuracy of formula, whether we have applied it properly or not. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.